Hi everybody. In today's session, I will explain you some of the IAM basics. IAM is the one for identity and access management. In simple terms, you create users and agent permissions and everything in IAM service. So let me log into AWS console, my account, next. It's asking for MFA. It's changed between. Submit it. Now you can see my account is created in North Virginia and this is your username. Let me go to IAM. It opened IAM. So if you want to edit your your account ID and give alias name, this is the place you have to give. So go to edit. You can edit this one or give some new name and save changes. I'm not changing for now. And this is the URL that you can use to log into console. So let's use that URL. So it will open your account already populated here. So this is how you have to use alias. So let's load again. Sign in. Again, it's asking for a MFA 408.118. Submit. Now let's try to go to IAM. IAM, I already been there, but let's show you the path IAM. Go to users, add users. I am creating one more user. You can create multiple users like this, but for now I want to create only one. Click on password, custom password, give the password, go to next permissions, let us attach existing policies. I want to give administrator access for this. Type admin and search. You can see administrator access. The top one only. Go to next tags. I don't want to give any tags. Next to view, create user. So one user has been created. This is how you create user. And if you want to activate MFA, so I am going to security credentials. Agent MFA device. This is the place where you can assign MFA so that you will get a Google Authenticate report or something. I have already assigned my mobile here. That's why I don't want to do it now. This is about MFA. Let us say if you want to disable the access for the user, go to users, select the one we created, and security credentials. manage, and you can disable the user here. Now let us see how to create policies. Go to policies and create policy. Virtual editor, service. Let us create a policy on IAM. Select IAM. I want expand resources. I will put all resources. Then next tags, next review. Give the name for the policy, test one policy, create policy. So the policy has been created. Let me create one more policy. Service. We want to give IAM only. But this time I want to give only list. Expand resources, all resources. Next tags, next review, create test2 policy, create policy. So let me repeat. I have created two policies, test one policy and test two policy. Test one policy has all IAM rights, and test two policy only list IAM. Let's go to users and test this scenario. Let me create test one. Sorry, add users. And test one, password, custom password, next permissions, attach existing policies directly. I have created test policy if you remember. Let me search it. Test one policy, let us attach to test one user. Next tags, next review, create user. Wow, one user created. Let me create one more user, test two. But this time you might have realized attaching test one policy to test one user and test two policy to test two user. Test two, password, custom password, password again, next permissions, attach existing policies directly. Let me search for test policy and let me attach test two policy to test two user, create user. Now, as you know, let me use this to log into test one to log into. So I am incognito window, open AWS console, log back in. It is logging into, let me sign out. Then into the console, account Gopala Cloud. What is the user? Test one, I just created. Give the password, sign in. If that person needs to change the password, let me do it. Confirm password change. Oh, it's not equal. Let me do it fastly. Confirm password change. We have been logged into test 1. Go to EC2. Launch instance. An error occurred because we don't have access for EC2 at all. Only IAM I have checked. That's the first point. And let us go to IAM and check if all the other access is residing. Go to IAM. Users. I can see all the users. Let me add another user. Test3. Password. Custom password. User must not specify to permissions. Test policy. If I am the administrator, next review, create user. Close. So from test one user, I am unable to see any EC2 or other services. Only I am user, I have permission, and I am able to create the user. Let us log out and observe how test2 behaves. Opala Cloud, test2. I think this will force me to change the password. Let me do it. Confirm password change. Again, same mistake. Confirm password change. Okay. At last, we are able to log in. Go to IAM. IAM. So if you remember in the test2 policy, I have mentioned only list. So you are able to see the list. Let's see adding users. Test4. Password. Custom password. Next permissions. Test policy directly. In access. Next tags. Next review. Create user. See, unable to create user because you don't have permissions for that. So this is how it works in real time. Next one, let me close this incognito window. Let me show you how to create keys, access key and secret key. Go to IAM. Go to users. Select your user or any user. Go to security credentials. So one at a time, only two can exist. Deactivate it. Let me copy it and paste it so that I will be able to create a new one. Okay, this is how. Create access key. So access key is created. This is access key and secret key. I don't want to show it because it's my password. So this is how you can create it. So you know how to delete it and how to create the keys. So at a time only two keys can exist for a user. This is all about IAM basics, and let's meet again in next tutorial. Thank you.